Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Goldman Sachs step by step clearly.
To invest in Goldman Sachs, begin by researching the company.
Understand its business model, financial health, and market position. Next, evaluate your investment goals and risk tolerance.
Decide how much money you want to invest. Open a brokerage account if you do not already have one. Choose a reputable brokerage that allows you to trade stocks. Complete the necessary account setup and verification process.
Once your account is funded, locate Goldman Sachs stock using its ticker symbol, GS.
Review the stock's current price and historical performance. Decide on the number of shares you wish to purchase. Place a market order if you want to buy at the current price. Alternatively, set a limit order to purchase at a specific price. Confirm your order details before finalizing the transaction. Monitor your investment regularly to track performance and market changes.
Assess your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your goals.
Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor for tailored guidance. Stay informed about Goldman Sachs through news updates and financial reports.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.